2017 67 plate Toyota Proace 1.6 115 medium comfort. It's done 51,400 miles and it's in silver. Just giving it a little run up the road, see how it drives. Great vans these, really popular, we do really well with these. It drives really well, it's nice and tight, nice and quiet, no squeaks, rattles or bangs, the brakes are good. It's got a brand new set of wheels and tyres on it, so the tyres are all good on it. It is, as I say, it's the comfort model, so it's got air conditioning, cruise control, you've got your DAB, Bluetooth as well, with the USB that you can stream music through it. So yeah, nicely packaged little van. It's got the twin side-loaded doors as well, which is a nice benefit and feature. It is the PVSsporttline upgrade model that we do as well, so that, as I said, includes the brand new alloy wheel and tyre package. That's an 18-inch gloss black XR wheel on this one. They are XL rated, so they're the correct load rating for the van, tyres and wheels. It's also got the gloss black sidebars, front splitter and rear spoiler as well, so it contrasts really nicely with the silver. It's a really nice looking van, good presence to it, and not potentially over the top. Got 2 keys for it, it's got service history, recently had it serviced as well, so it's all good to go. It's a really nicely packaged little van. It looks great in the silver with the black. Lots of images and information up on our website about it, but if there is any other information that you need, or you're looking at discussing possible finance options or our home delivery service, then please